if you are interested in learning coding and you are looking for some valuable quality courses on coding with free certificate, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about top 10 quality courses on coding with free certificate, and these courses are offered by free Codecamp platform. So at first, let's see actually how much professional website or platform it is. If you look at there, you can see learn to code at home, build projects and earn certifications. That means after completing your courses, you'll be able to get your free certificate. And the most important thing of this platform is that if you look at here, since 2014, more than 40,000 free Codecamp.org graduates have gotten their jobs at tech companies, and these companies are Google, Microsoft, Apple, Shopify, Amazon.com. So you already got the idea about how much professional platform you are going to use. Okay, if we scroll it down, then we can see these courses, and there's a responsive web design, JavaScript algorithms and data structure, front-end libraries, data visualization, APIs and microservices, quality assurance, scientific computing with Python, data analysis with Python, information security, machine learning with Python. And after completing this courses has one bonus trick, and it is coding interview preparation. You'll be able to learn here coding interview preparation, so these things are obviously beneficial for you. So I'm showing you how to enroll these courses. Just simply need to click over there, get started. It is free. Okay, when you click here, then you'll be able to find these options to continue or to sign in here. You can sign with Google, GitHub, Facebook and email. That's simply I'm signing here with Google. Okay, here you can see they are telling you that successfully you have signed in your account and happy coding. So they are recommending you, if you are new here or if you'd like to start learning from beginning, then you can click here, start at the beginning. Or if you like, you can click here and here. Okay, here you can see the course name is Responsive Web Design Certification, and it is the chapter Basic HTML and HTML5. And in this chapter there are 28 topics, and these are here. You just simply complete one by one by clicking here. Okay, and then you can see here is another chapter, and there is 44 topic. So these are the first course, and if you see here the rest of the courses, JavaScript algorithm and data structure certification, and here the rest of the courses you can find here. So you can complete one by one and you'll be able to get your free certificate. Okay, now showing you actually if you click there any topic, actually what you will get here. For example, I would like to click here, start at the beginning. Okay, that here you can see here is your bracket for practice. They are giving you some modules and you can learn from there. For example, if you write down here hi, then it will be appear hi. Okay, let's see here. So in this way you can actually learn your coding very interesting and easiest way. Then you will be able to get your free certificate after completing this course. Okay, after completing these courses you will be able to find or get your free certificate like this. So I think you will enjoy these courses and you will be able to earn your certificate.